Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Face and Body Cream Moisturizer, Nourishing Aloe Vera, Manuka Honey for Rosacea, Eczema, Psoriasis, Rashes, Itchiness, Redness, Natural Organic Cracked Skin Relief, Anti-Aging, Anti-Wrinkle. 4 ounces. It smells like it is organic and no perfume is added, and if you want an organic product, this is what you should expect. This has been the best yet. The dryness is improving and the redness is getting better. My skin feels really great after putting this cream on after cleansing with a very gentle pH balanced cleanser. If you are suffering with skin rashes and dry patches, you may also want to consider eliminating sugar, dairy and grains from your diet. In this short period of time, my face is smoother, makeup stays on all day and skin never looked brighter, and small red areas have disappeared. It's very easy to completely rub into her skin, and she has never felt as soft and smooth as she does now. Not only does it work extremely well for these skin issues, it also adds a healthy glow and leaves my skin softer than normal. It doesn't break down, bunch up into coagulated segments that ruin a nice rub down and have to be removed, in my opinion. It feels so good to slather it all over my face after a day in the hot sun and wind here in Oklahoma. It isn't a miracle as far as dark spots or wrinkles, but it helps acne and my sensitive skin loves it. It makes my son's skin sticky, has a very unpleasant smell, and made his skin flare up worse than before with an additional rash all over his legs. This cream is nice. It seems to have aided in the lessening of my rosacea, most noticeably with the roughness of it all. It restored my skin's natural moisture barrier, evened out my skin tone, brightened my complexion and minimized the appearance of fine lines. This cream is pretty good and has a lot of good ingredients in it to calm the skin and relieve dryness, redness. As to whether this cream is directly responsible for the prevention of stretch marks, our anecdotal experience does not of course translate to data, but it is great cream for a reasonably good value. In fact, while my fiancée was not at all fond of the smell for the first few weeks, she has now grown to like it, oddly enough. It's actually a very natural type smell, not a fake heavily perfumed smell, which lets me know there aren't unnecessary chemicals in this product. This has helped me a lot to alleviate the itchiness, and I'm thankful it's natural and good for my skin. This is the best skin cream. There is no scent, which is nice. It is very thick in the jar but goes on very smoothly. Not only can you hardly see the once very large scars, it has done wonders for returning my skin back to normal. This product really helped my eczema. At first my skin felt dry and began to flake, but once the skin shed, my feet felt soft and the redness bumps peeling decreased drastically. She claims it cured her face blemishes and now her skin glows and it doesn't leave her face shiny or greasy. For myself, this cream doesn't seem to absorb well on face, and it doesn't moisturize my face as much as other face moisturizers. By combining the honey with the aloe cream, they have created a product that is easy to apply and definitely seems to be helping with my rosacea issues. And it's huge. It smells nice, although a rad like chocolate. The texture is somewhat whipped and it feels good. It has really helped the angry red rosacea patches that sometimes occur around my nose from sleeping with a CPAP to prevent sleep apnea. No pain or itching, but it's very annoying in the spring and summer when this rash shows all the time. Her clothes had to be washed with free and clear detergents without softeners or other products, or she would break out in rashes. It only flares up again when she has gone a few days without the product. She's 3 now, so she has her own opinions about what she wants to do after bath time. So far, however, this one has been amazing. It is a very thin product that glides on smoothly and seems to disappear into your skin. My routine is Burt's Bees sensitive cotton face wash, hypoallergenic baby wipes to clean off makeup or the day's wear, and now this cream. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.